lahat. My name is Angelica Rose Embenipayo, and I'm one of the qualifiers of Shine for Jesus 2012, obviously. And first of all, I want to share with you na when I was choosing my songs, syempre, marami pong nagtatanong kung bakit I chose such an old song, and it's gonna be sung by such a young girl like me. Well, nagtataka po talaga ako kung paano ko napunta dito sa kantang to kasi marami naman pong mga pambilid dyan, mga R&B, mga gano'n, mga pop. And nagtataka ako kung bakit balik ako ng balik sa kantang to. I think that na may bumubulong sa akin, kantahin mo itong kantang to kasi makakatulong to sa kanila. And the message of this song for all of us to lift up our hands to God, to trust in Him, and He will lead us the way.
na-surprise ako sa boses mo. I didn't expect it from your package. Good things come in small packages. I suppose it's a very good place for that. Second, I like your concept of choosing your song.
May bulong.
Pinili mo yung kanta mo dahil you were led to it. And that's a very important concept for anyone who wants to be a gospel singer. Kailangan talaga yung leading ng Panginoon. And that's why it sounded so good. It sounded so good. Para tayong si J-Lo nito. I will be very surprised if you're not in the finals. Thank you.
Praise God.
Thank you, Mr. Albert Lozano.